All right, trade recap for Wednesday, June 18th. So, looking at the pre market plan, I was mainly watching the 6060 level up here, actually, sorry, and then the 6020 level. It's pretty much watching for the market to test either one of those levels and possibly have a breakout for the upside into the 6075 and to the downside into the 6100 599 5990 level, I should say. That's what this says. And then also here I noted that it was FOMC today, later at 2:30, so there could be lackluster volume, which has kind of been the case. So the market opened up and really just started rallying and kind of in this area I started getting some FOMO. I wanted to possibly take the market long previous to this 60 level breaking. Um, But I fought off that FOMO, didn't take it, and the move did end up happening. Nice pullback there, got bought up, um, and it sucks to not catch that. But at the end of the day, I was following my plan, and if I took this setup and it lost, I would have been super pissed off at myself. Um, anyways, we get up into this level. This is where I really start to think about getting in this early because we're consolidating right before the key level, showing signs of possible acceptance for another rally higher, but I don't get in there. Then we end up breaking my level, and at this point I'm watching for retests. First, red candle doesn't get far. Next one doesn't get far either. And on this little retest down here, I got some confirmation that I was fine taking the market long before the full pullback into this level I was watching because two things. First, the confirmation was good. Second, I wasn't really seeing much aggression on the sell side indicating that we could pull back far enough. And what I mean by that is if you look at all the pullbacks today, all of them are pretty much just one candle or maybe a little bit more. This is the most aggressive pullback we had, and I wasn't willing to wait for that to happen again to get us down to this level. If it happened, I would be fine stopping out on this setup and trying it one more time. But regardless, I got in my entry at 1024 on this candle. So we'll look at the tape here. This is what I saw to get me in. We get that first pullback. This pullback right here is simply just that candle. Next candle, price rallies a bit, pulls back again, and this level where some buying came in before, this aggressive buying, starts defending twice, and I'm fine to get in long here with a tight stop below this low, looking for that move into the 75s and into a possible break. So as you can see, the market has pretty much just consolidated since then, and I basically got out on like four of these different push-ups into my level. Um, just started scaling out, reducing risks on these push-ups, or these rallies, I should say, near the key level. Not all of these are going to be obviously at the high because kind of a lot of these exits I'm seeing price push into my level then start to reject, and on that rejection I want to get out. If we didn't reject and price just pushed up, I would then get out on that break. So I'm scaling out. At this point I'm out 5 lots, and then I reduced my stop loss to just half a point below break even just to give it a little bit of room. As you can see, if I would have kept it, it would have held for another possible push to scale out a little bit more. But at the end of the day, it was taken down there. And yeah, pretty much I'm going to net like about 2 points on this play. So nothing crazy at all. Ended up not even being 1R, which is not good for longevity and winning trades. But I honestly wouldn't even consider this a winning trade because half of it went break even. Um, Yeah, but not looking for a home run here, especially price. You could say price is somewhat overextended. If the move's not happening right now, it's not happening, especially with it's already getting later in the afternoon or the morning session. Um, we got FOMC later, so I was pretty much looking for an aggressive break of that level. Could still happen, but it's not happening now. I mean, I got a little bit off of what the market was giving me, made a little bit of money, and I'm gonna be done there. I don't like to trade the FOMC in the afternoon session. I usually just look at the morning to see if we can catch anything, and we did. It didn't work out exactly how I wanted it to, but I handled myself well. I reacted to the market well. Um, yeah, that's all we can do. And the market will be closed tomorrow for Juneteenth, unfortunately. So we will be back Friday, ready to go and get after it. Peace.